So, I just remembered something while I'm streaming here. I can't believe how many people think the 5.4 Triton is a bad engine. People don't realize there's two 5.4s. The 2 valve and the 3 valve. Well, there's more than 2. But there's 2 that you could get in the F series. The 2 valve and the 3 valve. The 2 valve is a damn good engine. I know this from experience. And it bugs the hell out of me that people think, like, just because of how bad the 3 valve was, everyone thinks that the 2 valve is good or is bad. The 2 valve is great. I've had one. Mine has almost 200,000 miles, and I got it when it had 130,000 or so. I think it was, to be exact, I think it was like 137,000 is when I got it, and so that's almost 70,000 miles I've put on my truck in 3 years. And it's only broken down twice. The first time was just because it had an old serpentine belt that fell off. It was just so old that it came loose. So old and stretched out that it just fell off of a pulley. And I think it just fell off of one of the pulleys. And then the second time, my AC compressor seized. And I know the plastic timing chain guides. But the thing is, from what I've seen, Ford fixed that engine. The guides, they do break and they will kind of they'll make some noise. But the thing is, as long as the chain didn't fall off, it's fine. You can fix it. Which I know it's gonna take a lot of work, but it can be fixed. But a lot of the time, it's not needed. Like my truck, I didn't need to fix it. I might need to go on to... There we go. But yeah, like as far as I know, my truck still has its original valve guide, or not valve guides, the timing chain guides. But Ford beefed them up. The replacement ones are beefed up. So, and plastic isn't the worst thing to use. I know it's like, it's not metal, but if it's done right, it'll last. And the replacement valve guide, or I keep saying valve guides, but the replacement timing chain guides are beefed up. So Ford's actually made them better. Plus, it's not very often that I see them even break in the first place. Specifically Hater's Garage. Like, I know his isn't a 5.4, but it's the 4.6, which I'll admit, the 4.6 is the more reliable Triton. But when you take care of the 2 valve 5.4, it'll run forever. And I know that from experience. Like, the two valve 5.4 Triton, yes, it sucks gas down like there's no tomorrow, and it's not the most reliable engine out there. But if you take care of it, it takes maintenance for it to be good. And I've been doing my best to maintain my truck's 5.4, and the 5.4 itself is yet to have a problem. All of my one problem that like the one expensive problem I've had wasn't even the fucking engine itself. It was the fucking AC compressor. That's what it was. It was the AC compressor. It was an accessory. It wasn't even the actual engine. Um, yeah. Other than the two incidents that have to do with the serpentine belt. Um, oh yeah, when the AC compressor clutch seized. Well, yeah, the compressor, I knew I needed a new compressor, because the compressor itself seized, and then the clutch for it seized. And in order to get home, I had to shred my brand new serpentine belt because I didn't have the tools with me to take it off. So I just drove home with no accessories, which also means no water pump. But it kind of started to overheat, but I got home before it was like really bad. So yeah, it's been a damn good truck. Like literally, I can literally show my yep. Oh, that's not it. There it is. Yeah, this truck has been so fucking good. I it bugs me every time someone asks me what engine, and I have it. I say, "Oh, it's the 5.4 Triton." They go, "You bad engine." It's not a fucking bad engine. It's actually really good. And it bugs me so much. This is literally my only gripe about the 5.4 is how many people think it's shit. It's as long as you get a two valve, it'll honestly with maintenance, this truck will outlive me probably. Like this truck's been more reliable than most of my family. So yeah, it's been a damn good truck. So that's all I really have to say about the 5.4 Triton.